Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you are all fine and good. Today in this video, I bring some new and latest collection or ideas for different pebble stone craft ideas for my viewers that you can easily make and use it as decorative piece for your different home. Decor ideas. If you are new viewers to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the update regarding my new and previous video. So viewers, don't go stray with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will like this collection. In this video, I bring some new and latest collection or ideas or for pebble stones that can be used for different decorative arts. As you have seen in this video, there are different unique craft ideas that can be used, and with the simple pebbles you can create and sort of creative ideas. It also enhances your imaginative part as you put your all imaginative board futures on these stones, whether it can be in the form of for creating art. Pieced out these stones and these are some I have shown to you to creative different craft ideas thought it, and you can also as this craft ideas and it these stones, and you can paint these stones into